Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain titles. Today we will learn what are titles, how to write titles, and practice questions. So what are titles? Titles are a part of your name. We use a title before your last name. So here we have the 4 titles: Mr., Ms., Mrs., Miss. Let's learn about them. Mr. 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 is a man, one man. The man can be married or unmarried. That means not married. For example, Mr. Johnson is the new manager. Mr. Johnson. Johnson is the last name. Ms. 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 is for a woman, one woman. The woman can be unmarried, not married, or married. Usually you don't know if the woman is married or not married. For example, please give this book to Ms. Harmon. Okay, so here I don't know if she's married or unmarried, or maybe she prefers Ms. Mrs. 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 is a woman, one woman. She is married. For example, your new teacher is Mrs. Brown. Mrs. Brown. Miss. Miss. Miss is a young woman. So a young woman could be a girl, an adolescent, a teenager, usually. And she's not married. It's okay to use the first name with Miss because she's younger. For example, do your homework, Miss Alice. Okay, here's a quick quiz, so practice with me. Here we have a man. His name is Martin Ashmore. So what do we use? Miss, Mrs., Mr. Yes, Mr. Ashmore. So Ashmore is the last name. We need to use Ashmore. We cannot say Mr. Martin. It's not the correct way to use the title. Next example, Linda Tran. We see her in the picture here. So what do we use? Mrs. Tran. Mrs. Tran. Because we see she is married. She has a husband. Okay, so Mrs. Tran. Next one, Monica Loata. We see she's young. She's a little girl. So what do we use? Miss Monica or Miss Loata. Okay, so we said it's more common to say the first name if they're little girls. Miss Monica is more traditional. Next one, Karen Pearson. Karen Pearson. So we see a woman. I don't know if she's married or not married. I don't know her age. I'm not sure. So I can say Ms. Pearson. Ms. Pearson. So don't say Miss Karen. That's not correct. You want to use the last name. Ms. Pearson. Alright, so if you learned something, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you can receive a new video each week. And thank you for your time.